Hey all, Will Healy here, and this week is National Apprenticeship Week. And here in 2022, it is the 8th annual National Apprenticeship Week. And this is really exciting because we're highlighting all of those jobs and roles that are out there that are really vital to our economy, vital to our success, and vital to manufacturing that aren't a four-year degree path. And so, in the United States specifically, we're celebrating this week about apprenticeships and talking about that. So I'm going to try talking about it all week this week. We'll see how it goes. But today, I want to point out that the Advanced Manufacturing Industry Partnership in Cincinnati, our local industry sector partnership, we put together a webinar talking about the modern apprenticeship and how that's kind of evolved and changed over time. We're talking about, how you can use apprenticeships even if you're a small company, even if you're a medium-sized company, you don't feel like you have the infrastructure, how you can use apprenticeships to meet the skills demands you have, and how there is money for you to support the program and to help you work with students. So, are you finding it challenging to find people with skills? Are you thinking like apprenticeships maybe aren't possible to you, or you tried it but couldn't figure out how to get started, or your program floundered? I'm going to drop a link down below where we talked about with Montez King, the director of NIMS, with 𝗍𝗃𝗍𝗃, program director of Apprenticeship Ohio, and a couple of others, how we can kind of change what the perspective is on the modern apprenticeship and how it's evolved and what kind of paths there are available to you as a manufacturer to set up modern apprenticeships in your manufacturing facility. So I'll drop a link down below. I really encourage you to check it out. Happy Apprenticeship Week to all those apprentices out there. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?